Okay, hello everybody. This is my helpers here. I've been receiving a lot of messages and comments, and a lot of people have been wanting help with the Vista theme. So I'm guessing I was just saying to myself, well, I really need to make this video. So guys, I'm sorry it couldn't be sooner, but tonight, guys, I finally had this video up. So basically on this video, guys, if I don't answer all your questions, make sure you leave a comment underneath the video or send me a message so I can make another video to cover everything you want. So basically I'm just going to cover up the main points. Alright, so a lot of people has been asking me, um, how do you change the little pictures which are on the main page or whatever? You guys know the little pictures that switch up like a screensaver? Not the actual wallpaper, but like the smaller pictures. Now, as you guys see, I have all these pictures. Now, this is simple. You don't need a big program to do this. Simply, you can use Paint. So I guarantee you everybody has Paint, so you don't have to worry about using other programs. Now, it might be a little more complicated on Paint, but it's really easy once I show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, so say like you don't want to use the cars that I had for you guys. Simply what you do is open up one of these pictures. All these pictures are all the same size. So open up this and open it in Paint. And there you go. Now, if you want to change the picture, this is the number one thing you have to do, guys. Check what's the size of these pictures. They cannot be any bigger than the size of these pictures or any smaller. So all the pictures must be the same size, and it has to be 80 times 65. It can't be any bigger or smaller. So that's the requirements, guys, for this to work. If it's any bigger, it will not show up on your iPhone or iPod. Alright guys, so say like I want to change that picture to a lion. I have a picture of a lion right here. Simply what we'll do is select all and resize it to be 80 times, I think 65, yes. Boom, got it. Alright guys, so let's just make sure I did typed in the right thing. It's 80 times 65, good. Alright, so as you can see, the line picture is very small. So what you'll need to do is get rid of all this white. 80 times 65. Now, if you guys don't know how I did that, if you look in this corner, I don't know if you guys can see it. If you look in this corner right here, it's going to tell you the measurement of the picture. So look, guys. You see, has it changed? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's changing. So make sure that says 80 times 65 again. Alright, guys. 80 times 65. So as you can see, the line pictures are very small, but remember, all the pictures are supposed to be small. So you don't have to, you can change it up, guys, if you want, whatever you want to do. Just use the lines. So simply just save it to where the other pictures are, and make sure you name it. You guys, everything is important. If you're switching it with the BMW picture, you rename it to picture 6. Whatever picture you're switching it with, if you're switching all of these, you still have to name it the same way, guys. You can't, it has to be spelled the same way. It can't be no caps, anything like that, guys. You have to spell it all the same way. Alright? So if you're if you're switching all the pictures, just keep switching them, but keep the same names for whatever pictures you're switching to. So it's that simple for that. Remember, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Anyway, the next question I kept getting for this theme was how did I make the wallpaper change? Now, as you guys can see, you're basically going to do the same exact thing what you did for the small ones. Now, say like I said before, I don't want to use this Mustang wallpaper anymore, so I want to change that. Simply open it in Paint. Remember, guys, it's very important you keep the same name. If you switch up the name, it will not work. So after you change this wallpaper, name it Wall 1. Okay, guys? And it has to be in PNG, so save it as a PNG. That's like the format. Alright, guys, let's get another picture. Let's say this time. Simply, guys, all you need to do is go to an iPhone wallpaper website, and this would do, guys, is so simple and easy. All it would do is you save the picture. If you guys know how to save pictures, I think all of you guys probably know how to do that, but what you do is save the picture and simply switch. Well, let me just show you guys instead of, okay, say like if we wanted this picture of, I don't know, okay, say like we want a picture of her, something simple. Alright, so simply what we'll do is right click, save picture as, save it wherever you want the photo to be. Now, when you save it, you have to save it where the actual wallpaper is. So if you want to switch it, you have to. Now let's go back just to show you guys, because I know it's probably confusing you guys. If you go back to the theme folder where your theme is, you see your wallpaper that you're trying to switch is in the private folder. So make sure you save that picture of that girl in the private folder. Now, I don't want to erase this because this is my stuff, guys. I don't want to erase it. Now, remember, for it to work, I have to rename it the exact same name, Wall 1. Now, this will no longer work because, guys, you see I changed the name. So, let's get the picture of the babe. We're going to go to where your theme is, well, wherever you guys' themes are. Alright, guys. Now, remember, like I said, now we're just going to save the picture in there. Alright, so the picture's saved now. And as you guys see, it's right here. Now, another important thing. Now, this is a JPEG picture. Remember, it has to be PNG. So this is what we do. We open up in Paint. Save as. Wall 1. Remember, guys, it has to be the exact same name. And the format needs to be a PNG. That's simple. Save. Boom. Now, you can delete this old picture because you won't be needing that. All you'll be needing is this. Now, when I put it back on my iPod or my iPhone, whatever you guys have, it will be the picture of this girl. Now, like I said, if you want to switch the picture, if you don't want this picture of this Mustang, guys, just do the same exact thing I just did. And remember, the name is the most important thing. Now, see, guys, I would have messed up. I have W in a lowercase letter. It needs to be capital. Now, for sure, it will work, guys. So it's that simple, guys. All you need to do is just go on Paint, edit the picture, switch the picture, make sure it's the same exact size, the same exact name, the same exact format, and it will work. That simple, that easy. All you need is Paint and some time to do this, and make sure you save the pictures and make sure everything is the same size. One more time, guys. You see this picture of this girl right here is 320 times 480. This picture of the Mustang, which we're using, is 320 times 480. The format is PNG. The format is PNG. So if you guys have any more questions or need any more help, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and my help is here.